Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you suffering from weak Wi-Fi signal? Don't worry, we have a solution for it. In this video, we will discuss how to set up Hyzom WiFi Extender in easy and short way. We will show you in easy and short steps how to set up Hyzom WiFi Extender in just few minutes. So watch this video till the end. Start with the product unboxing. Inside the Hyzom WiFi Extender box, you'll find the extender device, a quick start guide, and sometimes a reset pin. Everything you need to set it up is included. Now plug your Hyzom Wi-Fi extender into a power socket near your Wi-Fi router. Wait for the power light on the extender to turn on. Find the WPS button on your main Wi-Fi router. Press and hold it for 2 to 3 seconds until the WPS light on your router starts blinking. Within 2 minutes, press and hold the WPS button on the Hyzom extender for about 2 to 3 seconds. The Wi-Fi or signal LED on the extender will start blinking. After about 30 to 60 seconds, the extender's signal light should turn solid green or blue. This means it has successfully connected to your Wi-Fi. Unplug the extender and move it to a location halfway between your router and the weak signal area. Plug it in and wait for the light to turn solid again. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.